It is always a beautiful thing when you get upgraded to an ocean view room. Not just ocean view, oh my god, but with your own lanai. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? This is perfect time and place to be rediscovering myself. So, wow. Here's the room. Microwave. Always need a microwave in a dining area. This is at the Queen Kapiʻolani Hotel and Suites. Love big mirrors. So this is it. I'm loving it. Now I get to enjoy this. So, welcome to Hawaii and aloha. Aloha.